What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Bear. Today we have an accessory for your Tesla Model Y. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. Bam! Right here, look at that. You have a console organizer tray from Tudia. Now, Tudia does awesome, and I do mean awesome, cases for smartphones. And I'm super excited that they have entered the Tesla accessory game because their cases are some of the best out there. And I'm excited to see how premium their accessories for the Tesla Model Y is. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. But right off the back, very nice packaging. Tudia console tray organizer made for the Model 3 and Model Y. 2021 to current and 2021 to 2023. I don't think it's for the new models, but it does have anti-slip, easy to install, big compartment, and perfect fit. So without further ado, let's go and take a look. That's it. And right off the back, very nice premium hard plastic tray organizer, and they do have a nice soft anti-slip lining on the bottom, so your things are not going to go flying around. And it is pretty big, actually, as you can see how deep it is. You do have a very nice subtle Tudia branding there. Would have loved to see like a little texture here, or maybe a little bit of that soft lining right here as well, so when you can grip it, you can grab it pretty good. But this is gonna hold your sunglasses, wallet, or anything you want. A little matador blanket, a little flashlight in here, or anything like that. A little fidget toy or change in your Model Y, which absolutely looks fantastic. So without further ado, let's go over and head to the Model Y and see how this bad boy is going to go ahead and fit in the center console of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. All right, we're back. So whenever you get your Tesla, pretty much you have this big old hole in here to store stuff, but there's no organization tray. And this is where this tray comes in hand. You just put it in here and it closes like that. You can put your wallet, keys, anything that you need to put in there. Fits very nicely. And you can also have access to more storage underneath there by easily sliding this back and forth. And this thing closes just fine. Absolutely a pleasure. This is the little Tudia organizer tray. Looks fantastic. You put all your stuff up there, closes good. Boom. Open it, grab what you need. If you need to grab something from underneath, simply slide it forward and you still have access to everything underneath here. If you want to clean it, it's easily comes out. You can go ahead and clean it, put it back in here, and be good to go. So there you have it, guys. That is the Tudia little center console storage tray. It is absolutely a pleasure to have. You need one, actually. You actually need one, because if you don't have it, you're just going to have a bunch of junk just thrown in there, and it's going to make it hard for you to retrieve what you need. It's like a endless pit down there. This is just going to simplify your life and make it easier. If you have any questions regarding the tray, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.